Kids are learning math a new way. If you don't believe me, try teaching your child math and you'll hear, "We don't do it like that anymore." Math answers are the same, but how we get to that answer is different. The math for optimizing your CNC machine production has changed too, and how we get there is different. Adding a robot to tend your CNC machine has changed that machine tool from a cost center to a profit center. With a robot tending your CNC machine, those high-mix, low-volume jobs that may have been more headache and less profit have taken on a new look, smiling profitability. You can even go home at night knowing that your CNC machine is running a job and pieces are being made, even with the lights out. While we can't help teach math to your child, we can help bringing 21st century automation into your machine shop. Call RoboJob USA at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to speak to a human. RoboJob USA, first in CNC automation.